First thing I put on was the Zero Gravity Sport Touring Windshield. It's quite a bit thinner than the factory windshield, but I think the extra height is really going to help on the highway. Next up, I got the KLR handlebar bag. Really like this. Just a place to put insurance papers, registration, that sort of thing. Put a Kawasaki bar pad on there. Put the Oxford heated grips on. Really like these. They seem to work really well. Heat up really quick. What else do we have? Oh, SW Motec crash bars. The new style. They